In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho account. Whether you're moving on from Zoho or simply tidying up your online footprint, I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure it's as straightforward as possible. So, let's dive right in. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you usually use. In the search bar, type in Zoho and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results, and you'll want to click on the first link that appears. Usually, this will be the official Zoho website, which should show up right at the top. Double-check that it ends with zoho.com to ensure you're on the correct website. Once you're on the Zoho homepage, the next step is to log into your Zoho account. Take a moment now to enter your email and password. If for some reason you haven't ever signed up, you'll need to create an account. But since this tutorial is about deleting your account, let's assume you have one already. After logging in, you should now be on your account dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but what you're looking for is the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page with many different settings options. Within these settings, you'll want to find the one that says Close Account. It might be a little further down the list, so take your time to scroll and locate it. Once you've found Close Account, click on it. Now comes an important part. To proceed further, you'll need to confirm the deletion by entering your password. This step is crucial because it verifies your identity and ensures that it's really you who wants to close the account. Enter your password carefully and proceed. Once your password is verified, Zoho will ask you to provide a reason for deleting your account. This part is usually straightforward. Just choose the best option that fits your situation or write a brief explanation. You're almost there. Zoho might now present a prompt asking you to click a button like Proceed to finalize the process. Click that button, and with this, the deletion of your Zoho account should be complete. And there you have it, a clear and concise process to delete your Zoho account. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides just like this. Goodbye for now and take care.